Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel where I talk about all things motherhood, product reviews, and lifestyle. In today's video, I am doing a fun and inexpensive activity with my kiddos, potting our new plant babies. We named them Lily and Ivy, giving them an identity, and it just makes it fun. The kids really love getting hands-on and being out in the sun. I hope you enjoy this video and are inspired to get down and dirty with your littles too.
How'd you find that? Wow. Yeah. Yeah, put dirt in. Y'all want to see this? Let's see if we can get Lily out of here. Oh, now I know what's eating her. It's a spider in here somewhere. So we're going to have to get that guy. So we're going to loosen it. Oh, her little roots are coming out. Yay! Look at her. Oh, she's so healthy and pretty. And let's plant her. Here we go. Cheers. Are y'all putting dirt? Yeah. Should probably take out more dirt. I don't know. I have not done this in so long. Yeah, let's take out more dirt and then put her deeper in. Yeah, let's start over. Whoa. Okay, there we go. Now let's plant her. Whoa. Oh, no. Be nice. Be nice to Lily. We want Lily to thrive and grow well, don't we? We want her to be pretty. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, so you ready for the fun part? We're gonna water it. You wanna get that? We're gonna make sure they get watered really well. Here you go. Okay. That's enough. That's enough. Let's put the dirt back because we're gonna need this for later. This is how we check to see if it has enough water. You can see it down there. See it? Okay. You got all this?
Don't hit me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had fun planting Lily and Ivy, and Elam is gonna help. You wanna play? Hey you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of me and the kiddos planting Lily and Ivy. It was a very cheap, inexpensive project. We just went to Target, got some pots. You can get your plants from whatever, or you could even plant seeds. But the main point is have fun with your kids, build and make memories, and yeah, just have fun, enjoy them while they're young. They won't be that way too long. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more like it, and thumbs up, leave comments below. Bye, talk to you later. Hey buddy, what is this? Oh no, go. Yeah, water your baby. Hold it, there you go. There you go. You pouring the water? Good job. Yeah, take care of Ivy. Say God bless Ivy. Uh-oh. Let's try this side. Come right here. There you go. You got it? Uh-oh. Is that all? Uh-oh, water's on the counter. Oh well, it's just fun for kids. Is it good? Are we good right here? Uh-oh, I think we poured too much. Did we pour too much? Yeah, let's put her in the sink. Let's see. Okay. Uh-oh, let's see. Come back. Let's see if that's enough. Is that enough? It's good? Okay. Say hi, Lily. God bless you. Bless you. Yes.